Okay, so one of the things that I'm noticing is when you guys are completing this novel study calendar, you are kind of all over the place, right? I've gotten quite a few things. Um, I wanted you to look at my example, which is on slide 6, and then you complete yours on slide 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to redo mine and show you how it would be. So my book title is Disappeared. I would write that there. My author is CIS Francisco X Stork. The total number of pages. So I'm going to go ahead and look to see how many pages I have, and that is 326. So I'd write that there. Now, in this box right here, I'm going to do the exact number that I just wrote right here, which is 326. I'm going to say this divided by 5. Well, I can't just do that on my own. I'm not math. So I'm going to get my calculator, and I said 326 divided by 5 equals. So it comes out to 65.2. Right here, I will put 65.2. I'm going to round it to 66 pages a week. That part's done. Now this first week that I'm going to do is I'm going to say I will read pages 1 through, and I already know my total is going to be 66. So what I do is I open my book up and I look to see page 66. This part's totally up to you. If you just want to stop at 66, go for it. I'm not going to because it's in the middle of a chapter. So I'm going to flip through until I see where my chapter ends. And that ends on page 73. So I'm going to write 1 through 73. My chapters will be 1 through, and I look again to see what my next chapter is. My next chapter is 7, so that means I'm reading chapters 1 through 6. I put that there. Now I know that my following week, I will start on page 74. So I go ahead and put 74 through. Again, I'm going to need my calculator. So my total was 74 plus the pages that I plan on reading, which are 66 pages, equals. So that is 140. Again, I go to my book and I look at page 140. 140 actually is the end of a chapter, so I can go ahead and just write the 140 down. So 74 through 140, and my chapter part would be chapter 7 because I know that my last chapter ended on chapter 6 through, and my next chapter is 12, so my next chapter will be 11. This is just something that I'm going to do because this is me and I want to make sure that it all fits. So I'm enlarging that section. So I have 74 through 140, chapters 7 through 12. Next page we start on is 141 through. Again, you add the 66. Your next chapter would be 12 through something, and you keep going like that for every single week until you've reached the end of your book. This is what I expect you guys to actually do, to actually turn in. I want everything, not just the week of this week. I want everything there because next week we're going to copy and paste into a new week. So I'm going to show you how to do that. That way you already have it. So once you're all done, let's say this is mine, I'm going to click on my slide. So next week you click on your slide from this current week, and you're going to click Alt plus your clicker, and you're going to, oops, so sorry about that. I literally just deleted it. Okay, here we go. So Alt and your clicker, and you're going to press copy. And let's say this is my new week. And I want to insert it here. So I would again click Alt and my clicker and paste. There it is. So it is going to, I'm not going to link it. It's going to pop into your slides for this next coming week. All right, hope that helps. You guys, let me know if you have questions, but I am expecting to see the full amount just like this, pages 1 through whatever, each and every single time, chapters 1 through whatever, each and every single time. Okay, thanks. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.